We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update, and I need to highlight for this coin, the chart we're using is HITBTC, right? Because the price for the HITBTC in compared to the other exchanges is very low, somewhere around 0.063 at this point. Because other exchanges, the prices are somewhere around 20-21 cent. That's why we have a separate analysis. And after we see, as we see, after we get this up move, it tends to a really corrective. And I mean, the way is deep correction. The way is moving is really corrective, and mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup based on lower time frame. And how deep this one can go when we can expect the price drop to zero. The previous low, which is the lowest price we get for this correction, is somewhere in 0.05. What I want to say is that if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it based on lower time frame. The targets we're looking for is following by 16, 20, 24. And what I want to say is that for this, whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, when it is start to move, it can move really sharp, similar to what we get here. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they should, I mean, if they get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, they should take it. If it's moving over direction, we should keep the trade. If not, we shouldn't keep the trade without the stop loss or moving over stop loss to break even. Because if the reason is if it start to move, it can move really sharp, and sometimes you cannot get any opportunity for buy at the good price. And even if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned one of the option was to put our entry at the stop, and the price couldn't tag. And we mentioned if the price tag within the 2 hours, if there is no moving, it's not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade. Still, we can put our entry above this in case the price sharply reverse and continue. And from whenever we see this kind of the sharp move following by correction, we can expect the price to drop. If the price drop and break the previous low, then we can adjust our entry and put our above this correction. But at this point, we prefer to put our entry above the stop. All right. By the way, we don't have ready trade setup. Even if we get any reversal as a short move, like we will take the trade. But at this point, we don't have any, I mean, a good trade for buy. Having entry above this is really risky. If anyone wants to put the entry above this one, they should know that if the price tag, which is not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. That's why we prefer the price drop or break 0.062. Then we can shift our entry above here and put it at this price. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and what we're looking for, as I say, we're looking for the reversal, and we try to get as any trade. If we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it because we're expecting the reversal will be really sharp, and simply we can see the breakout of the 16. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.